Minasan konbanwa, watashi wa Kris desu. Welcome to my channel. For today's reaction video, I am watching Kachok TV. My vehicle-loving young brother is absolutely blown away by his first ride on a Japanese Shinkansen. Dewa Sasuku, hajimemashou.
In a lot of like stores, cafes, Shinkansen. So spacious. Oh, I didn't expect that his back goes like tilt to that.
皆さん、いつも見てくださってありがとうございます。カチョク TV のチヌとチヌブラザー。
ワシャです。
イェーイ。今日はワシャと洋介が名古屋に行ってきます。今日は新幹線で行くね。You guys are going to Nagoya by Shinkansen.
I've heard about Shinkansen a lot of times. I know about Shinkansen from my since childhood, very childhood. And today will be my first time when I get this fabulous train.
I wish I could come with you, but guys, have a good trip to Nagoya!
Yay! Nagoya.
And first we need to go to Tokyo Station.
It's 8 a.m. It's supposed to be like traffic jam, but actually it's quite empty train. Like still people, some people stands, but it's not that packed that everyone next to the shoulders. And I like that this train goes so smooth, so I don't really need to handle the handle. It's really smooth. This train is much smoother and it's silent. Like it's not really the train is not loud by itself, and also everyone doesn't speak. So I'm the loudest person here, and I even feel guilty that I have to speak aloud now.
What is it? Oh, it's for people with wheelchair.
Oh,
really?
Yes.
It was like this, and it can. Oh, the whole this is real.
Yes.
Oh.
Maybe there's no elevator here.
Oh.
That's why.
Yes, and it saves a lot of space.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, usually there is rails on the stairs, but with this system it saves a lot of space here. There will be something like
No elevator, no lift. Central Gate. It's a big station.
This is the Tokyo Station,
Tokyo
Yeah,
Station.
what a huge island here.
and there are a lot of souvenir shops, cafe, restaurants.
Of
Look at
course.
this
It's
team
like-
of humans. Everyone is going somewhere, and everyone is in rush.
It's like a shopping mall
We are buying tickets now.
No, we've already
or
bought.
an airport.
You're gonna print the...
Yes.
It works by your bank card.
Yes.
It's attached to your bank card.
Oh.
It remembers your bank card number.
Yeah, because I paid with this card.
Tickets.
Yeah.
Did you tell them 3 digits on behind the bank card?
Yeah, I think so. But it's a big company. It's fine. Don't worry.
Okay. Can you tell me your 3 digits on the bank card?
Of course not.
И оба. Wow. That's long trip for just 2 pieces of papers.
So Washa, we are going to find some lunchbox.
Yes. And I'm kind of surprised that here's even a lot of like stores,
Yeah.
cafes. It's just station.
Yeah. When we take a blood train, Shinkansen, the most important part is eat in the on the train.
I like this tradition. I will follow it.
See, you can find
We are like in a grocery store, like in a big supermarket here.
yeah, but it's actually in the station.
Fascinating. A lot of choices.
Look at this.
That looks huge. Do we go for it?
So I think too much.
Right.
2,000 yen.
Brightful, colorful. My eyes are sparkling.
Me too. So many.
Oh, I like how colorful it looks like. Some red, green, and it's served beautifully. But here is really big cutlet. So I would go for this because of cutlet, big cutlet.
Yeah. Fine. So I go for the same.
Oh, beautiful.
We have only 6 minutes.
Wow, we should run.
Yes, let's go.
They're late. 6 minutes. Go. Oh.
Osha, this is our train. Bread train goes every maybe 10 minutes.
Good. Oh, I'm kind of tired.
Osha, hurry up. This is special gate for Shinkansen.
Oh.
And our train is
Yeah, it looks beautiful. It looks so big. And I can't imagine that it can
They're late.
go faster than 300 kilometers per hour. And we will just get in here.
Just right on time. Wow.
So spacious.
So this is the place where we can put luggage,
Oh.
and this is toilet.
It looks like in a hotel room.
And there's a seats are here.
That's huge space here for the legs. I wish airplanes, air companies would have such a spacious place for long legs.
So
And also, oh look how perfect time we set and the train started to go. And also, I was surprised and we were afraid of that we can wait. That's why we went into first wagon and we passed through maybe 10 wagons, which is interesting that all wagons has no doors. We can surpass every wagon like this, you know. I didn't even feel that we changed wagons because it's so smooth.
and it's automatic door.
Yes, and even automatic doors and toilets everywhere. I like it. It goes actually so smooth. But we already have really huge speed if you look at the capacity. It's really already big speed, but I don't feel at all any movements. Oh, I didn't expect that this bag goes tilt that far.
Yeah.
Comfortable.
That's so comfortable. And I can spread my legs like this. Wow, I wish airplanes would be like this, really. If they would go Shinkansen between Russia and Japan, I would take Shinkansen and go on Shinkansen for a week. It's better than 5 hours by inconvenient airplanes.
And it's also very
I wonder how to use this table if the seats are too far away. Wow. Yeah. Look at these legs. Wow.
I think we could even work. But actually, a lot of people work on the train.
That's perfect. Yeah, it was invented by people for people. Oh, there's even a socket here.
Yes.
Oh, they really put everything in here. That was a really good manner to excuse you when you recline.
Oh, yes, he did that.
And it attracts me that houses are very close to each other and very close to the railroad. You can even jump from someone's roof on the railroad. It's too close.
It takes about 1 hour and 40 minutes from Tokyo to Nagoya. The maximum speed is 285 kilometers per hour.
Wow. I know about Shinkansen from my childhood. Like, it seems to me that when I was born, I learned how to say Mama, Land Cruiser, and then Shinkansen. So Shinkansen was always attracting my mind since childhood. Was this is very fast bullet trains, and so I read some articles. So I was reading some articles in childhood about this train, and it was invented in 1964, like 50 years ago, and it changed the industry of trains all around the world. And also, there were not any accidents due to derail or collisions for 60 years. And it has carried 10 billion people for the 60 years and no accidents due to derailing or collisions. Can you imagine this?
No. I didn't know that.
And also, this Shinkansen has its own railways. It doesn't connect with the regular trains, and also it doesn't cross the roads. So it's an isolated train system.
It doesn't
it
cross the road.
That's one of the reasons why it's not safe. So, and it says that the average delay for Shinkansen is less than 1 minute. But even included
Less than 1
uncontrolled disasters like typhoons,
seconds.
even including these things, still less than 1 minute. Which is really surprising that such a system that operates that much people has a delay than less than 1 minute. Don't you
Seconds.
think so?
Yeah.
You know the shape of Shinkansen has like very straight and thin nose. That's to cut the air when it gets into the tunnel. And also I just noticed we were coming through backward going Shinkansen like this. So when I use the metro, the regular metro here, when they cross trains like this, square trains, it's like shockwave. You can hear. But now we just were crossing the train like this, and it was so smooth.
You look so happy to explain that.
It's really cool. It's
Cool.
But it's nice, and I'm so tractor in the rice field off road. And also a Mitsubishi Pajero also is there. But why I mentioned this? Because it was discovered and created, designed in 1960s, not 10, not 20 years ago, way back earlier. Like you had really extremely fast-growing economy based on all rice fields. It looks beautiful. Good Japanese tradition.
Amazing
vegetable
Shinkansen. Amazing.
chopsticks.
Even we drink alcohol on Shinkansen.
It's allowed?
It's allowed.
Why we didn't drink that?
So sorry. We didn't have enough time.
Wow, that's so good. That's huge. I think you picked the biggest favorite food.
Yes.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
It's called Ekiben. Eki means station, and Ben means lunchbox.
Even lunchbox is served so well. Like they precisely put every ingredient. Like with carefulness. That's 2 boxes.
Oh.
That's nice.
Itadakimasu. The rice is so good.
It's
Look at this big piece of meat. God damn, that's so good. Wow, that's like the from restaurant.
Do you also find a lunchbox in Russia's?
Yes, we can find lunch boxes, but it's not that popular like here in Japan, and it's not that delicious. I'm losing my mind. That's so delicious, and I'm so hungry.
Do you know what it is?
Tempura.
It's called kaki fry. Kaki is oyster fry.
Oh,
It's-
that's oyster.
Oyster.
Let's try it. That's so gentle. Yes, I like this cup. That's so good. Gochu-so-sama deshita. Nagoya.
お仕事でよろしいでしょうか。切符や携帯電話、お手荷物などお忘れ物をお伝えいたします。
Shinkansen.
お出し物で
We can't even see the windows.
どう
It
ぞ
goes so
足
fast.
元にご注意ください。ご乗車ありがとうございました。
Beautiful and smooth.
Beautiful
The fourth
train.
biggest city in Japan. I'm trying to read all articles about everything in Japan. I'm so interested in everything.
And you searched a lot of Nagoya cuisine, right? Food. Let's try them.
Let's try that.
It was a nice trip. Yeah.
1 and 40 minutes, 1
That's
hour
how
and 40
they
minutes.
cut the air when they go to the tunnels.
東の前からお越しのお客様は16番線から51号新大阪駅で発車します。
Oh la la! In the way when he stops, like huge machinery, but it stops some kind of like on style. I guess there's a lot of seats inside one train, about more than 1,000, I guess. And they have only 10 or 15 minutes to clean all seats. And this kind of guys, like drivers in train or people who like work on stations, they always point at lights. Why do they do it? Like if there's a, let's say, to avoid mistakes made by humans, and also I think it's a more faster system to tell other workers. It's waiting to point. It's waiting to point to something. Oh, look. He did this.
Yeah.
So why he did this? It's
Signal.
just system to avoid human mistakes. When you don't just see something, but also point at this, you pay more attention with your brain. So this routine job can affect like into mistake. But when you do it with fingers, you pay more attention, so you're more focused on this, and it shows that there is less mistakes you make. And even New York metro station also adapted this idea, and
reduce mistakes made by humans.
We'll go as fast as Shinkansen. No, you don't need to take it because we arrived.
No, I wanted to take it as a souvenir.
How was today's experience?
Shinkansen approved all my expectations that I was keeping in my mind since my childhood. Like as I imagined, as it was in real. It's smooth, it's fast, and you know there's even some corners when we go in this shape and it even goes like this. That's what I was wanted to see. So Shinkansen to me, it's represents like boundless reach capability that human can achieve. Like it was invented 60 years ago. We didn't even have an internet or some
Yet.
regular stuff that we use today, but Shinkansen was already invented. Like people didn't even go to the moon yet, but Shinkansen was already invented. It makes me some goosebumps on my skin. That fact that Shinkansen actually changed the industry of railroads all around the world. And it showed how transportation infrastructure can look like. Japan showed it to all of the world. And I'm really glad that I could touch this history.
And from now we are gonna explore the city and eat some food.
Yummy.
Let's investigate Nagoya, but it will be the next video.
Alright.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye. I really enjoyed.
That's so impressive.
Oh, in Nagoya.
Life is
Yeah.
乾杯。
Thank you so much, Kachok TV. This was so interesting. He was like a kid, you know, exploring Japan. He knows a lot about Shinkansen, about Japan history. Well, it was nice watching him. I enjoyed listening to him, to his impressions about Japan, about the Shinkansen, about the food. He's eager to learn more about Japan. That's the interesting part. And looks like he's enjoying his stay in Japan. I would love to see more of your trip in Japan. Exploring Japan, exploring Japanese food, exploring Japanese culture. We'll look forward to more of your videos. I hope you had a great stay in Japan. Well, anyway, again, Kachok TV, thank you so much for the video. I'm a subscriber of your channel. And to all my viewers, gosicho arigatou gozaimasu. Mata jikai o aishimashou. O yasumi nasai.